see the garlic in it.
Yes.
Keep wrapped until fully baked. Still raw. Hey, all you smashed or mashed or whipped or pureed potato lovers out there, welcome to
the best cooking show in the world.
Two Chefs,
One Knife.
I am Chef MPH.
And I am Chef Yam.
Wow. What are we doing today, Chef?
We're going to do mashed potatoes. Is that a Wiggle song?
Mashed potato, mashed potato. Mashed potato, mashed potato. And as we were hinting in the beginning, potatoes.
So we're going to make mashed potatoes today, but we're not going to make it fancy. We're just going to show you how we do it at home.
We're going to do it our way. And that's going to be all you.
Okay, so we're just going to use the basic russet. Russet potatoes create a fluffy mashed potato. This is probably your cheapest potato, a russet, and in this economy, yes.
In this economy?
You're going to use it. And this is my peeler of choice.
Yeah, we're using a green peeler because it's a vegetable.
Yes, a vegetable.
Stupid,
Adam.
Look, green board, green peeler.
God. So this is how you peel a potato, all right? The fastest way.
This is the fancy Y-shaped peeler.
Yes.
Remember those old school metal peelers that every mom had in a cupboard?
They're horrible.
Mine was full of rust. My mom would still use it.
So this is way one that you can do.
That's beautiful.
If you're scared to peel towards yourself, you can do it this way as well. I don't like this way. I'm not used to it.
Where's good for carrots better?
Yeah.
Because they're long.
But
potatoes are like round and
awkward.
Weird. Do you know any good potato jokes while you're doing that?
No.
This spud's for you.
Because potatoes, they oxidize, you need to get them into water, which we don't have, so I'm gonna get some. So the secret to the perfect mashed potatoes is to heavily salt your water.
Or let me make them.
Yeah, shut it. You wanna make sure it's
I love your utensil you got there.
Healthy.
If your water's not salted enough, just have some flesh.
Come on. Then you just, it's salty, it's good. You want to taste the salt. So I'm gonna cut them. You want to cut them relatively the same size so they all cook at the same time.
What type of cut would you say that is?
This is a big cut.
Is that the scientific term for that?
Yes, it's a large cut.
Wow, I didn't.
Large.
I remember reading about that in the Scoffier.
Now into cold water. Always start cold water with your potatoes. Any tubers, you start with cold water. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna do the rest of these potatoes, and we'll be right back after these messages. La, la, la.
All by myself.
As chefs, we do things intuitively. Is that a word?
I don't know. It just speaks to us.
Yes. So, hello. So we're gonna turn this on.
How you doing? Oh, I thought you wanted me to turn it on. That was a terrible face.
So I'd say for 5 large potato, I think half a liter.
Plenty.
Just hold back if you see that it's too creamy, then don't put it all. To heat up your milk or your cream and then put your butter in cold. But this is just a plain mashed potato, and then we will show you a garlic version. Okay, go.
Excellent.
So we got half a liter of cream, and we're gonna slowly heat that up. Right, so our potatoes are nice and done. They are fork tender. You can see that they are falling apart like that, easily.
Steamy.
All right, and we're gonna strain this. When you're straining, go low, and be careful of the splashback.
Extreme close up.
No, you just wanna dry it out a little bit. All right, so to mash, this is a little bit excessive.
That is fantastic. I don't know what you're talking about.
So butter.
So we're doing our butter first because the heat will help
Yes.
it melt. It's looking mashy.
Mm-hmm.
Creamy. Looking good.
You can add salt and pepper.
Seasoning.
Maybe to the home cook it looks loose. been a little bit too creamy. Once it sits, it's going to absorb more of that cream. Let's say you make this way ahead of time and they're cold. You can heat them up again. Just add a little bit more cream into your pan and then add the potatoes to that cream.
Camera angle. Garlic here. So we're going to take some garlic. You're just going to break it off. You're going to cut off the hard ends. Just to expose your garlic right there. Give it a little press with your knife. You do this because it'll help it pop right out of the skin. So as you see, just go boop. Pops right out. And pops right out. There we go. And then from here, we're just going to give it just a tiny little chop. Just to make it a little smaller for our mash. Just like that. Alrighty. So now we're going to heat up our pan. Instead of roasting it in the oven, we're just going to do a little simple roast here. So we're going to hit it with the butter, because we're always going to put butter in our mashed potatoes anyways. It just adds that awesome McAwesomeness. Going to hit it with our garlic while that butter is melting. And we're just going to cook out this raw garlic in the butter. Just, see that sizzle? Oh. I don't like the smell of butter melting and garlic. You don't want to go too high on your temperature, only about medium high, because you don't want to burn the butter. You just want to kind of get that little sizzle and just kind of confit the garlic a little bit. And I'm not saying comfy, I'm saying confit. Eventually want a little bit of browning to happen in your butter and the garlic. So, but you just don't want it to happen so fast.
Low and slow.
Oh, look at that. Look at that garlic just cooking. See, it's starting to get a little bit of color on the side. It's perfect. It's perfect. Now, if you're not wanting to use whipping cream, you can use milk. See this foamy here? That's the good stuff. You want that. This is what we're looking for. Look at this. The garlic, roasted garlic in the butter. Okay, so once you achieve this, then you can hit it with your cream. So same as Chef Yam, we're gonna add about just a cup of cream. There you go, and you get that little sizzle. Perfect. That's it. Just let your cream slowly heat up. Your garlic will continue to cook in the cream and soften, and it'll be all good to go. Yay. As you can see, look at the color of this cream because of the butter and the roasted garlic. It has a little more of like a brown hint. It's more beige. It's not as white cream, and it smells fantastic.
It does. It smells really good.
It smells so good. All right, so we're going to do the exact same. This masher is fantastic.
It is. It was really efficient.
Hulk smash. I like giving it a little stir to loosen up the corners. And there you go. So we're going to take our spoon. We're going to make sure we get all that nice garlic. Look at the garlic falling on the top there. Look at that. Nice brown roasted garlic. Oh, it's good. And then we're going to mix this in. We're going to start off with a little bit of cream just to make sure we don't make it too soft. And we're going to check the consistency. Chef's intuition, is that the word?
Yeah.
No. Is it?
I don't know, yeah.
A little dry and go a little bit more. Get a little more cream. That should be good. That looks fantastic. So we're going to hit it with some salt and pepper. See the garlic in it.
Yes.
Mashed potatoes, roasted garlic, and where's yours?
I don't know where I put mine.
Here you go. All right, we're going first. Let's go with plain first.
Traditional mash.
All right, let's go. Cheers. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong.
That's so good.
It's like earth meets cow. Next we go classic with roasted garlic.
That's the garlic one.
Ooh, a little chunk of garlic in that
Oh,
one. Nice.
I'm jealous.
Cheers. Oh my God, the garlic. Wow. Even just cooking the garlic and the butter and just cooks out the rawness of it. It's just fantastic.
That's
Easy way to
good.
do roasted garlic. So good.
Yeah.
Mashed potato, 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 potato.